In front of me is Oppo A80 and today I would like to show you how you can set up app lock. Begin by opening settings and scrolling down to access security and privacy. Then scroll down again and tap on app lock. Click on Got it. Tap on gray switcher next to app lock, and if you don't have privacy password, you need to set it up. To do that, hit settings. Then tap on use a different password type and pick the best one for your apps. In my case, pattern. Enter it. Repeat it. Set up recovery email just in case if you forgot it, and hit confirm to save it. Then answer security question. If you don't like this one, you can tap on it and tap on custom question to create your own. Or just select one of those. Either way, when you finish, hit this check mark at the top right corner. And to lock any app, use a gray switcher next to it. If you want to use your fingerprint to unlock this app as well, select Use in the pop-up. If you don't, tap on Cancel. So when I go back and try to access AliExpress app, I can see that privacy password is required. To get rid of it, go back to the same settings, hit app lock, enter privacy password, and tap on blue switcher next to your app. To disable app lock completely, use blue switcher next to it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!